In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer on your WordPress website step by step. Whether you want to update footer text, add social links, or customize the layout without using any code, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, log into the dashboard of your WordPress website. Once you're inside, look at the dash menu on the left-hand side and click on Appearance. From there, select Customize. This option allows you to edit different parts of your website, including the footer, in a visual and user-friendly way. After clicking Customize, your website will open in the Customizer view. Now, look through the menu options and click on Footer. From here, you can start editing your footer content directly. Depending on your theme, you may be able to change text, add social media icons, adjust layouts, or include other footer elements easily. Keep in mind that footer customization depends on the theme you're using. Some themes give you more flexibility, while others may have limited footer options. If you want more control, you can also switch themes from this section and choose one that offers better footer customization. Inside the widgets section, look for the footer widget area. Click on it, and you'll see the blocks currently being used in your footer. From here, you can add new blocks like paragraphs, headings, images, lists, or even custom HTML if needed. You can drag, remove, or edit these blocks to design your footer exactly how you want. Once you're done making changes, make sure everything looks good and save your updates. Your footer will now reflect the new changes across your website automatically, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily edit your WordPress footer using the customizer or widgets without touching a single line of code. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips.